So, hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, my name is Neetu, and you are watching English Stock Corner. So, here today is the day 3 of my English speaking challenge. Why I am improving my English in this video, I will reveal that. My son, he is 3 years old. So, in April or in May or June, he will start going to his is school. So, right? So, after that, it's my school time will be start again because my son will go, because after that I have to attend his pdm. I have to go to him, to send him, to come back to come back to him. So everything I have to go, I have to do, right? So then I started to think about, because in future, in my past also, I did not get English environment, so that I cannot speak, and I took almost 1.5 1.5 years I took to improve my English, so that my son, he can speak this language naturally. So that's why I'm learning. So as a homemaker, I think you should also speak this language. You should also learn it, because we all want to speak, but the problem is coming, we don't have anyone. That's why we are unable to speak, right? Right now my son go to his went right now he went to his tuition classes, and after that I'll just send him, and then I just sit him, and I'm thinking to prepare something like rice, because the timing was 3:30, and from the morning I did not make anything in my in-laws house. My husband has gone now from his office, from his office, yes. And I'm just sitting, I'm just took my bath, and I'm ready now. And my son said to me, mama, I am hungry now. So I gave him his one biscuit, and now I'm thinking to cook something for me, for my kid also. And within half hour I'll cook it, and me and my son, we both eat together. Okay. So these days I am not doing anything, and I am doing my English speaking practice with ChatGPT. I think that is a very useful tool for English learners. But if you really wanted to improve your English speaking part, so start your English speaking practice with AI also. AI is wonderful. Whenever you have any question, anything, just go to ask to him. That will give you super fantastic idea. Okay. So these days, whatever I have in my mind, I'm just going to ask AI, and he gave me a very quick and easy techniques to do that. So being a homemaker in 2026 will be start soon, so I should take some resolution, and after that I will work on it. And you too, I think you should also to take some resolution also. So that's all. And in a day, I'll always try to speak at least 5 minutes. But sometime I thought about that, if I am talking to my camera, so how I can speak this language 5 minutes, but I'll try to speak it. So at night time, I'll ask to my husband that I'll go my maternal house, because these days my father health is not going so well. He was admitted from the last 1 month, and he has tuberculosis, very high tuberculosis he had. So that's why he admitted on there. And my younger one sister, he is alone at home. That's why my mother said to me that, Neetu, you need to go to our home, and at the night time I have to cook my brother's food, so, and to take care of my family, whole family. And my house is renovating now, so there is too much pressure. I'm going here, I'm going there, so too much think it is happening in my life. And my husband, he go to his work. He went to his work, and he called me now, gonna go to his tuition classes or not. I said yeah, he go to his tuition classes. And after that I'm just sitting here. So that's all in my mind. In my breakfast today, I made poha and rice with fan. Like in my childhood, I love to eat fan also. So when I go to my maternal house, when I went to my maternal house, I said to my brother clearly that today I eat fan, like toast. So many people say toast is a sweet, and fan is different. So I eat fan, and I eat two fans, and that taste was amazing. Okay. after a long time I just eat fan, because in my in-laws family my husband always said to me, like, he when I come back, when I entered in this house, he said, I don't like breakfast like fan pape matti like this. I ate full plate of poha, full plate of rice, full plate of maggie, full plate of parathas, everything you just made it, but I don't like to eat these kind of the things in the morning. So I said okay. So from the last 4 years, whenever I have a mood to eat fan, toast, bread, so these kind of the things, if I have a mood, that time I take it. Otherwise my husband doesn't like, so that's why I also make something breakfast, something easy for him also. So that's all my life it's going on. My father, I just getting too worried about my father, because when you entered in the hospital now, you cannot change the mindset also. I right now I'm sitting here, but my mind was at my father's place. I called my sisters so many times, and from the last 15 days I asked so many questions to her, and she said to me, if you are come here, so there will be so many problems I will be there. Your kids are so small, who will take care of him? So these kind of the things it is happening with me. And yesterday my husband went hospital, take some fruits, take some lunch from my family, mother and my father, not father, my mother and sister, they will have it, they had it. And that's all it's going on. So now I think I have completed more than 5 minutes, so now it's absolutely done. So I have completed my day 3, and that is going so amazing. Try to speak this language more. The more you can speak, the more you can explain yourself. Okay, so bye bye guys, let's meet in another video. So bye bye.